Hello, my name is Daniel and I'm a Flutter developer. Welcome to this video on how to install FVM in a Flutter project. FVM is a command line tool that allows you to easily manage different versions of Flutter SDK. With FVM you can switch between different versions of Flutter with ease. So let's get started. First of all, you need to install FVM on your machine. This is the site, I will let the link below. I'm using macOS, so you can select your current system here. First of all, copy the command. I will open the terminal here and paste. Okay, so the second one. Okay, that's it. To activate FVM with your Flutter in Dart, just copy this command here. Paste again. Okay, that's it. Now let's create a new Flutter project here. Okay. Now I will open with VS Code. Okay, that's my project in Flutter. Now I will open the terminal here and install FVM with this project. To install, you can use this command, use FVM use and the version of Flutter that you want. I will use the version 3.7.12. Would you like to install it? Yes. Okay, everything is okay. It's great. Created a new folder here, .fvm. You can see the Flutter SDK here and the configuration, Flutter SDK version that you put in the terminal. Now to install the project using FVM on your simulator or phone, you can use this command, FVM Flutter run. I'm here with a simulator. Just wait. Okay, that's it. You know how to install FVM in a Flutter project, and you can easily manage different versions of the Flutter SDK. Thank you for watching and happy coding!